10 pounds of carrot tops. I'm going to weigh it and see what it's like. But with torpedo pot, the planters you see behind me, you never water or feed your plants again in your life. All you do is take them and put them in the planter, the seeds of the plants, and they literally grow your food for you. You will never ever have to grow your food again in your life. And one thing about it is that, look at this. There's no death in any of these carrot tops. These are hundreds of carrot tops. There's no death. We don't have a problem with death. We don't have a problem with that. This is torpedo pot. We grow food 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and our food is perfect all of the time. If you follow our growing instructions, you will never have a problem with food again in your life. And I've got so much of it. So much of it. I'm going to weigh this. I don't know, it's like 10 to 15 pounds, but we're going to weigh this and find out. And the funny thing about it, this is not even a full harvest. This is only the tops. We have containers full of carrots that we need to harvest also. Hundreds and hundreds of carrots coming out of our torpedo pots. Look at this. You will never have a problem with food again in your life if you trust torpedo pot. We will get you there. We grow food. Hey guys, for those who don't know, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. What we're doing is that we're growing about 100 carrots in each one of these planters. These are self-growing planters. You see the knob on them? You turn the knob and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again.